What if your brand new car starts breaking down before 50,000 miles? Sounds crazy, but for some 2026 cars, it's already happening. From engine failures to transmission disasters, these are the cars you might seriously want to avoid. Welcome back. Today we are breaking down 7 cars in 2026 with serious reliability concerns based on trends, owner complaints, and past issues. Let's get straight into it. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe helps us to grow. Let's start the video. Number 7. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee looks like the perfect SUV. Rugged, premium and powerful. But reliability? That's where things fall apart. Owners have reported electrical glitches, random warning lights, and transmission hesitation. And these are not rare cases. If you are planning to keep this SUV long term, it might test your patience. Number 6. Nissan Raw. A super popular choice. But here's the issue. That's CVT transmission. Drivers complain about jerky acceleration, overheating, and early wear. Some even report problems before hitting 50,000 miles. For a daily driver, that's risky. And trust me, number 1 gets way worse than this. Number 5. Chevrolet Silverado. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is supposed to be tough and reliable, but recent models tell a different story. We are talking engine lifter failures, transmission issues, and electrical bugs. And when a truck breaks down, repairs are not cheap. Number 4. Volkswagen Taos. The Volkswagen Taos looks modern and feel refined, but under the surface, it's dealing with turbo lag, rough shifting, and inconsistent performance. It's one of those cars that feels great at first, until problems start stacking up. Number 3. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer has been a family favorite for years, but recent versions not so great. Common complaints include transmission failures, electronic glitches, and poor build quality. Not exactly what you want in a family SUV. Number 2. Tesla Model Y. Yes, the Tesla Model Y makes the list. It's fast, high-tech, and futuristic, but reliability is still a concern. Owners report build quality issues, software bugs, and suspension problems. It's impressive, but not perfect. Number 1. Land Rover Range Rover. Taking the top spot, the Land Rover Range Rover, it's luxurious, iconic, and incredibly expensive, but also incredibly unreliable. We are talking air suspension failures, constant electric issues, and costly repairs. Owning one without warranty, that's a gamble. So those were the 7 least reliable cars in 2026. You should think twice about. Remember, looks and features don't always mean reliability. Comment below which car shocked you the most. And if you want the most reliable cars of 2026, hit subscribe and let me know. See you in the next one.